Hey everyone, my name is Nelson Miller. I'm the creator of SurelyWP. We make add-ons for SureCart. Today I want to highlight our wish list for SureCart plugin. So I just want to give you a quick tour of some of the features that are available. You can certainly learn more about this over on our product page, and I'll have links for that down below. So just head over there and in the menu here, look for wish list, and you'll come here and you can learn all about it. And you'll be able to watch the video there as well, of course, that you're probably already there. All right, so once you get this plugin installed, and of course you'll have this installed when you have SureCart installed, right? So you can go to the settings, and the first thing you would do is enable the wish list because it's going to be off. And the next thing is just selecting which products. Now, you probably want all products to be enabled for the wish list, but you may not. Maybe you want specific products, and then you could choose those, or a specific product collection. So that's up to you. We'll leave it on all products. So when we come to the product page, there's a lot of customization. And I'm going to show you how that looks when we add a product to the wish list. But first, notice here that we're deciding where do you want that to be. There's going to be a heart icon, add to wish list button. So we can choose where we want that. Oh, and by the way, if you were using some other page builder or anything, you could use the wishlist shortcode. But this here is going to work with the SureCart product page, the default, and I'm going to just be using that for this video. Here you can decide what happens after the product is added. You can choose to show the view wishlist link, show the remove from wishlist, or show both, right? Let's put it on both. Here you can customize the text, add to wishlist. Here you can customize the text when it's already added, or view wish list. So it's really customizable. We really focus on that with our add-ons. Remove from wish list, successfully added. So all these features, right? So let's go ahead to a product page, and I'll show you some of these things because we're talking about the product page right here. So here I'm on a product page, and you can see this heart icon and add to wish list, right? That's added by our plugin. So if I click this, you can see a message, it was added successfully, and then there's, remember I enabled the setting to remove from wishlist and view wishlist. I think by default it's just view. But anyway, there you can do that, interact with it right here on the wishlist. Now I can click to view wishlist, and you'll come to a page like this, right? So it's your standard kind of wish list. You can see the image and the title and the price and the status. You can click here just to add it to the cart. You can delete it from your wish list. And of course you can share it, which is really handy. People might want to be looking for gifts for you or whatever, and so you can do that. Now back in the settings, let's go down to the wish list page. You can choose the wish list page from your WordPress pages, and you can add either the shortcode or the block if you're using a page builder for that wish list page, or it'll just show up by default. Here you can have all kinds of options. Like here you can just, for example, enable the sharing options. If there's something unavailable, you can update the add to cart text. Like we almost go overboard on the customization. And then let's go back up here to the product list. So you can add products to the wish list from a page like this, right? So if I'm here looking at all the list of the products, you can see this heart icon. That item right there is in the wish list. The solid one is added, and then you can click to add it on these ones that are not filled. Next, let's talk about the floating cart. So we have this really, I think, innovative idea to show the wish list right here. So if you remember, without our plugin, there's no tabs like this, right? So here, these are all items that are in my wish list. And it keeps them really front and center to you, to the customer, reminding them that, hey, I might want to buy this product, right? So every time they open this cart, and they're thinking about checking out, they can see this wish list tab. And, hopefully this will help with conversions. It's just a really cool extra feature that we've been able to add. And again, these are all optional. You can enable or disable this stuff. Last here, I think, is the customer dashboard. So here also you can enable or disable that right in their customer dashboard. And that's really important because if they're in here managing their orders, looking at their downloads or whatever, they'll always be reminded, hey, I have items in my wish list, and maybe they'll click on it, and maybe they'll come here and add it to the cart and make a purchase. So it really brings kind of that subtle marketing right into where the customer is interacting. And I think that would help conversions. And it's just a fun feature. That's a valuable feature. You can customize the text here if you want to say something else. Yeah, it's just a really neat extra feature. That pretty much covers everything. There's email templates. So this is used when there's a reminder email, and then if there's a change to the product price, we send an email, and you can click on each of these to edit the text and the subject lines of the email. So like when to send this reminder. So maybe they add it to their wish list. They're going to get a reminder, here based on 1, 3, 7, or 14 days. After they do that, again, you can customize all of this, and there'll even be a link there to go view their wish list. And let's see, the other one was if there's a change to the product, like, hey, a new lower price for an item in your wish list, that will incentivize them to click on here, and you can see the old price, new price, and the product name, and these like merge tags, these dynamic links here. So overall, I feel like this plugin is kind of an unsung hero. It adds a lot of value for improving the customer's experience. They may want to save things that they're not quite ready to buy, and this fits perfectly. Everything's integrated into SureCart tightly, and that's what we try to do with all of our add-ons. Make sure that these are add-ons for SureCart very specifically, and we hope you appreciate that. I think there's a lot of value in this plugin, and we hope you enjoy and appreciate all the features. And definitely let us know. We always want to add new features and improvements here or there, whatever it may be. So definitely provide feedback, ideas, whatever you have, and we'll be sure to get those added as well. All right, we'll see you all in our next video. Let us know if you have any questions.